Hello, friends. Today I'm going to talk about fitness and more with context to being active, especially in midst of this pandemic and quarantine and all of these situation. So one of the key thing which I have incorporated, which I feel is really helping, more with context to staying active the whole day, and also with which is leading to better sleep, is this technique which I have incorporated, in which I actually create like a table, in which divides the all of the active hours. For example, from morning 8 to evening 8. So I just create like a table, and every hour I put a check mark that did I at least walk for 5 minutes. Now this is very important because what would happen otherwise is you're sitting in the sofa or sitting at the desk for hours and hours and you don't realize it. You may be doing something very interesting, or which is keeping you mentally active. All that is fine, but you do need to get up. So the point was, pre-pandemic, when we are going to work or school or anything, right? So automatically there was movement. We didn't have to consciously incorporate that. We would anyways get up and we would go here and there or whatever. But in this quarantine mode, if you at least don't create a schedule like that, what would happen is you would find that you are sitting for hours and hours, and then when you get up, then you would definitely face the music, not on that day maybe, but definitely after a month or a two, right? Because body is suddenly getting so much stiff and it's lacking movement. So the whole point is, it's not about like, yes, it is very good if you can go for 1 hour 2 hours walk or 1 hour in the morning. That is very good, but I think the key is more with context to having some form of movement every hour at least, wherein you are making, like, you are just giving like a jolt for your body. You're just making it move a bit. So this is definitely a tip which has actually worked, and it's definitely helping me keep active. So at least for putting the tick mark, at least I would get up and I would at least walk around for like 5 minutes to 7 minutes maximum. But that does make a lot of difference. And another very interesting thing what I noticed was, every time I get up and I walk around and I come back, I feel mentally more active, like more alert. So something which maybe I was stuck before, when I go for a walk and when I come back, suddenly the things seem easier. So that is also there. So because it's just taking your mind off on whatever you're focusing on and then bringing it back there. So even for students and all, I feel this will be a very good tip. So make sure you have that break. You do wake, you do get up, you do go out for a walk. If you can't go out, at least walk around inside the house. But that 5 minutes walk will make a difference. And if you just think about it, right, like 5 minutes is nothing, and then that 5 minutes adds up, because by end of the day it would be like you have literally walked for like 40 minutes. Okay, so it's definitely very helpful. So I hope this helps all of you all. Okay, take care, have a good health, and have a very beautiful day ahead.